Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and a view into Huck's World. And today we got a watch face by PW along with a giveaway. We got 2 for the US and we got 3 for Canada. So make sure you comment and you can be a winner. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and a view at the Huck's World. And today we got an awesome watch face by PW. PW just don't know how to quit. Now this one is nice for a digital watch face. This one is totally awesome. Now the name of the watch face is called PW79. Not a bad looking digital watch face at all. This one here is for Curtonia. She loves digital watch faces and it is a 24-hour watch face at that. In the always on mode, it also has a good look. You're going to get your digital time and you get your step status info as well at a glance. Not a bad look. Once the watch face is on, it's lit up well. You got a second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch, but that's not the one to focus on. Take a look at the animation with that bezel, the index just rotating. Very nicely put. I like what PW did with this one. Add some character to the watch face and uniqueness. Now I do like the stacked digital time. Has a very nice look. I'm loving the font of it. At the top you will get your date. You get the year and you will get the day of the week. You come to the left, you will get your goal completed so far as your steps. To the right, you will get your battery info. You come down, you get info on floors climb and your heart rate info. And down at the bottom, you get your steps, right? But if you tap way down at the bottom, you can go into your settings. You tap on the 9 over here, what would be the 9. You get your weather and you tap at the top. You will get your calendar. You can set an event. And if you tap on the 3, got your music player. I thought this was well put together by PW. I got to give him 2 thumbs up automatically. Matter of fact, nope, let's switch it to 4 thumbs up. And if you double tap on the 17, you can customize the color of this watch face and he gives you quite a few to choose from. I thought PW definitely did his thing on this one as he always does. But hit me in the comment section below. I would love to know your thoughts on this one. And with that, let's go ahead and check out watch face number 2. Watch face number 2. This one is called PW80. Very nice looking watch face, very unique as well. I'm liking the look of the color that's going around the bezel of the watch. And you are going to get a nice stacked digital time in the always on mode. It really looks good for the Gear S2 and the Gear S3. But when the watch face is on, it's very unique. Very nice. I like the 3D effect that this watch face has. And you get your step information and heart rate. At the top, you get the day of the week and your date. Step goal right there. Battery percentage right there. Animated seconds. This is not a bad look. You guys got to hit me in the comment section below about this one too as well. So I'm liking it, right? There's no rotation going around the bezel of the watch, but it's still unique. So I could double tap right here and I could change the colors. He had some unique colors in this one as well that I thought, that's nice. It stands out quite a bit. And of course, battery efficient too, right? Not bad. PW, you continue to do your thing, my friend. I like what you brought to the table. All right, you all, that's going to be it for watch face number 2. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And again, I'll see you all at the next video. Take care. Oh, and happy hump day.